Hi, in this video I'll give you an in-depth review of Affiliate Boss, a product by Mahmoud Al-Waqfi. I'll show you inside the members area. I'll show you exactly what you get with a demo to show you how it works. I'll point out some areas that you should be aware of. Then we'll go over the sales funnel and we'll take a look at that. And lastly, I'll give you my personal opinion about Affiliate Boss. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. Hi, my name's John, and on this channel, I make videos to help you start and grow your online business using affiliate marketing as the core strategy. So be sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. And if you're looking to start your real online business, then click on the link below and check out my #1 recommendation for starting an online business today. So if you're ready, let's dive in. So what is Affiliate Boss? Affiliate Boss claims that you can get hundreds of free viral visitors in as little as 30 seconds, even if you have no tech skills and no experience. Makes some big claims here as well. Claims to be a brand new 2021 traffic method. You get free traffic, free buyer traffic, just copy and paste. So it's promising a lot from the sales page, but look folks, this is just typical sales page copy. So please beware and put your thinking caps on. So let's go into the members area of Affiliate Boss. First of all, you get an affiliate link for his product, Affiliate Boss, and then you get to download the course. There's a free buyer traffic supposedly using this secret method. And then you can subscribe to his YouTube channel. And then it talks about the upgrades following him. He's promoting a product here, Embassy by Glenn Kosky and Magnum. I'll show you what you get when you actually buy the product, as well as what you get for the upsells as well. So firstly, what do you actually get here when you buy the product here, Affiliate Marketing Boss? Well, you'll see here he's been a little bit tardy in that he's still called the previous product Commission Boss, and I will show you that later on in the review, because this is just a rehash of a previously launched product, which is a huge red flag. So this is very much a high level. It's simply too high level. It talks about getting a product from Clickbank, going into Facebook groups. The free traffic source is supposedly this King poster, which is a way of posting into Facebook groups. The automatically system is to send an auto response from your Gmail account, autoresponder. It gives you a very high level overview of paid traffic method, as well as mentioning this e-levers, which is highly unlikely to work. When I looked this up on Google search, it showed me people losing money, getting no sales. And so this is basically the product. That's what you'd be spending your $14 or $15 for this very high level overview. And then if you were to get the upsell #1, he does send you, at the end of that, he sends you to his bonus page, which has got some very low quality PLR. I checked this PLR out, it's low quality. And then you go on to volume 2. So taking a look at volume 2, this is simply joining a solo ads Facebook group. Talks about adding 100 friends a day because there's a 500 limit. Try to form a relationship and sell to those people. It's so really all I've seen is sort of spamming type strategies in the front end product and the upsell. And then the second upsell, which is part 3, talks about at a very high level, setting up a website, finding product launches on Warrior Plus, Clickbank and JVZoo from Munchai, which is just a launch website, go and making a review and getting the traffic from either Google or YouTube. It's just a very, very high level overview. It's nothing really at all. And if you don't have a website, you can use medium.com. It's really just, there's no substance and quality training in any of the front end product and the 2 upsells. Going back to the product itself, this free traffic by using this secret method, I'll show you what that is. All this is it's a link to various traffic exchanges where you post your landing pages there. very bad idea. It's just not going to sell. These type of exchanges, you'll just get quick. You might get the occasional click, but it's really bad for any form of bounce rate, if you even care about bounce rate, and bad for your website if you're using your real website. As I mentioned before, the bonuses page, this is really junk PLR. This was dated back to 2017. This looked to be low quality too. And the other bonuses within the product page is Embassy is a product by Glenn Kosky, and Magnum, well, the link actually went to Embassy as well, so there's an error there. So I was just amazed by the quality of the product that's being offered here. So I have some real concerns about this, but firstly, I'll just show you the sales funnel and the potential costs here. Firstly, so Affiliate Boss at the front end is $14.48, and then the Upsell Volume 2, $17.48, and Volume 3, $22.48. And then you can resell the whole course for $97. So the total at the front end is $151. That's $151, folks. And then there's a downsell for each one. So if you're lucky enough to capture the downsell, the total cost will be $136. But that's a lot of money for very little training, very poor quality training. And what was most alarming to me is when I checked out Mahmood a little bit further. So he has two other products that he's launched previously, Affiliate Marketing Boss and Commission Boss. And what I'll actually do is I'll get the sales page of Affiliate Boss and just compare it with these other two products. So this is Affiliate Marketing Boss on the left there and Affiliate Boss on the right. And if you look closely, you'll see that it's the identical product. It's just shuffled things a bit around on the sales page. Same screenshots and everything. Same headline, same colors. And the other one, which was Commission Boss, is again the same thing. So this is appears to be a very ungenuine thing to do. And the product was still actually labeled at the top of the product. It was still called Commission Boss. So the vendor hasn't, see here, Affiliate Boss Part 1, the vendor hasn't even been careful enough to change the name of it from Commission Boss to Affiliate Boss. And as you can see from those products, very low sales. And I looked at a independent review of both of these products, and it was poorly rated. I don't know how it got this rating here. That doesn't appear to be genuine. So look, really is a number of red flags here for me, folks. And another thing about the product is that the vendor asks you to go away and connect with him on his YouTube channel. Looking briefly at his YouTube channel, well, he's only got 2 videos. Beast Funnels, which is a horrible product by Brendan Mace, which does not work. Personally, I bought this one and I refunded it. It was terrible. And Embassy, that's a recent launch by Glenn Kosky, which he's adding as a bonus in this product. He must have bought the reseller rights. So my personal opinion of Affiliate Boss. So what's my personal recommendation about this product? Should you or should you not get it? I recommend you do not get Affiliate Boss because you simply will not make money using it. The quality of the training is very low. Also, you're being asked to promote products here. He just talked about Clickbank products with a high gravity rate and also Warrior Plus products, but they're just not of a high standard. This is basically a Facebook group spamming strategy and using traffic exchanges, which is the lowest form of traffic, and paid traffic methods to promote low quality products that don't help people and simply take their money. And going back to the sales page, this brand new 2021 traffic method, free buyer traffic, well, you're simply going to be spamming people in Facebook groups and traffic exchanges to try to sell low quality Clickbank or Warrior Plus products too. Plus the Warrior Plus products that you personally have bought, do you really think anyone is going to buy and not refund these products? Think long and hard about that if you've bought these types of products before. So listen, if you're even remotely interested in buying products like this Affiliate Boss, chances are you're probably a beginner. or possibly even a shiny object seeker, looking to build an online business. You've been sold on the idea of easy money and fast cash, push-button profits. This cannot be further from the truth. Building an online business is hard work, and unfortunately for many, hard work is not sexy. It doesn't sell. But that's the reality. If what I said sounds like you, I'm here to help. If you want to check out a free affiliate marketing course that will help you set the foundation for your mindset, your online business, and the foundation of you, having realistic expectations is the key to success, and the right training, and being able to manage those expectations daily with daily tasks is very important. So click on the link below to create a free account where you can get free access to a quality affiliate marketing training program. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Lastly, don't forget to click the link below to check out the free affiliate marketing course I'm offering you. It can and will help you build a real online business. This is John Stanley from earnfromyourlaptop.com, and I'll see you in the next video.